Have you ever stared at a terminal command or been on a Stack Overflow article and thought, what the heck are these people asking me to do? I'm going to introduce you to a tool that I like to use, which is ExplainShell.com, link in the description below. And this is a great website for helping you understand different terminal command. It can also help make you a command line pro. So if we take the command line from the Stack Overflow article and we pop it on into ExplainShell.com, it's going to give us a detailed breakdown about what it is that we're trying to accomplish. I really like it because you can highlight each part. Okay, so here we're executing a command as another user. We're removing certain files or directories. This is a really amazing tool, and it's something that's completely free, web-based, and it's going to parse those complex shell commands and provide those detailed, easy to understand examples. There's even some examples on the screen here with all of the different breakdown. So let's start off with something a little bit more simple. So if we had ls-la, and we wanted the explanation, we can see that it lists the directory contents. We're then going to use the long listing format, and then the A or the double dash all that we could use. We want to not ignore entries starting with dot. So if we were to copy and paste this into our terminal, so based on the directory that we're on, we can see all of them here, even our words list, our Python projects, etc. Here's another example that you may have seen, which is to do with Git. So we can say, okay, I want to show the commit logs. We can then use the double dash one line, which we can see is now shorthand for pretty one line, or the abbreviate commit used together. We have the number, so we're limiting the number of commits to output with the number of 5. And then we're including the author, which would be our name. This is also how I learned really quickly about pipeline. So with this command here for all my Chrome homies, we can really see that there's a very detailed explanation, especially when it does come to pipeline or those series of one or more commands. Another great reason to use this tool is I was helping someone with their Xcode preview, and I was using the command lines to kind of force uninstall, refresh, etc. And as we were going through the process, they were like, "You're not hacking my Mac, are you?" And obviously I wasn't, but having a website like this is also something that may put your mind at ease when you are, copying and pasting command line tools from the internet, Stack Overflow articles, or from a friend. Even if you're just like, I want to understand what's going on here instead of just blindly copying and pasting. So definitely check out explainshell.com. This is something that's completely free. It's indispensable for anyone who regularly uses command line, whether you're a seasoned Linux system admin or looking to automate tasks. This is going to transform those cryptic commands into understandable logic, making you more confident and efficient as a developer. If this video introduced you to this new little secret weapon, please go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical dev tips. Dream big, code bigger, and have an amazing day. We'll see you in the next one.